Welcome. In front of me is a GARMIN Approach S50, and today I'll be unboxing it and just taking a quick look at the watch itself. So anyway, let's just get straight into it without wasting any time. I do have a seal to cut through, which I don't remember, but I thought that Garmin's didn't have anything like that from my memory, but maybe I'm just remembering incorrectly. There we go. Now inside we have the watch itself. Charging cable with the most dogshit proprietary plug on the planet. That also plugs from the bottom, logically. It's almost as genius as Apple and their mouse that charges from the bottom too. There we go. Oh, actually, I do need this cable. I just realized, because this will not turn on without plugging it in. So let's plug in the worst proprietary cable. Now the cable that it comes with at the end is a Type-C, so you can just do this. And as you can see, it's turning on. That's it. There we go. If it looked violent unplugging it, that's because it totally was. So here is our smartwatch. I'm trying to see the display as it does have pretty chunky bezels. You can kind of see the bezels right here, where they cut out. But yeah, it's just a fitness tracker. The size of it is actually pretty small, so it's not a thick one. You can see the size right here is relatively small in terms of thickness. It's also super light. The band that comes provided is a Velcro one. It's just a tiny bit stretchy, not much though. Sorry, I just needed to prevent myself from sneezing somehow and failed. Okay. Now, in terms of the strap itself, let's just kind of put it on my petite little hands. So I have like the world's thinnest arms, and it actually fits like barely, as you can see. So yeah. And you can kind of see this next to the Galaxy Watch. So in terms of size, they're very similar, though Galaxy Watch has just this more nice look to it, as it probably should, considering it is generally a better built device. In terms of price, I don't need to check. I am pretty sure that this is more expensive for no reason. Though maybe not no reason. I don't use Garmin, so I want to kind of put that up front. And I have never tested them out at all as well. But I would expect that, considering this is designed for tracking fitness and all that stuff, or well, this one specifically I think for golf more like. So this is a GPS golf smartwatch. I would presume that it does whatever it's supposed to do in terms of tracking a little bit better than something like the Galaxy Watch as an example. I haven't ever tested it out, so I'm just kind of hoping, considering they do cost decent amount, these watches, and I picked up mine Galaxy Watch, which does the job pretty well for like less than $100. So yeah, these I don't even need to check. I'm pretty sure it costs more than that. So yeah, anyway, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.